Hi everybody, this is Marcelo, your fitness partner, and this is Spin Fit, a fun way to exercise. Spin Fit is a fun new way to exercise with the whole family. If you catch it, you keep moving. If you drop it, exercise. Which exercise you should perform is a mystery. Spin Fit selects. An illustrated booklet will show you how to perform every single exercise. Spin Fit comes with fun exercise and activities that will keep kids and adults enjoying the benefit of being active. Every activity will keep you running, jumping, and having fun while exercising. Parents and teachers can use Spin Fit as a tool to motivate kids to exercise. There are 15 different exercises per disc to keep you guessing what exercise is next. Cannot go outside? No problem. Spin and exercise indoors to get a complete workout. Visit us on the web for video demonstrations and more.